Good morning, students. We will discuss about the group 1 alkali metal group. Chemical and physical property of alkali metal group is our in our previous videos. Today we will discuss about the anomalous behavior of lithium. First question, why anomalous behavior of lithium, or why lithium show anomalous behavior? Answer, why? Why lithium show anomalous behavior? Better reason of anomalous behavior of lithium is small size. If size is small, difficult to remove the electron, more energy is required, that means high ionization enthalpy. Small size, tendency to gain electron, easy, high electronegativity. And most important reason is absence of d orbital. Absence of d orbital. Because 2d is not possible. Because 2d is not possible. So we can say absence of d orbital and high polarization power. High polarization power. If in our exam question is why lithium show anomalous behavior, these 5 reasons: small size, high ionization enthalpy, high electronegativity, absence of d orbital, and high polarization power. Clear? Now question, explain anomalous behavior of lithium. Which property is shown by lithium but not by the same property of same other member of same group? Lithium shows some property but not sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, etc. Why? Why is this? How? Or explain these properties. Then explain the anomalous behavior of lithium. Better, lithium is not used in photoelectric cell. But other can use rubidium, cesium and francium are, rubidium, cesium and potassium are easily used because of small size, high ionization enthalpy. Because of small size, high ionization enthalpy. Better, when alkali metal burn in air, better lithium form lithium nitride due to high lattice energy, while other do not. Suppose alkali metal react with air, only lithium react with nitrogen to give lithium nitride because of high lattice energy. But other not. Sodium, potassium, rubidium does not have tendency to react with nitrogen due to low lattice energy. Next one, beta compounds of lithium. Compounds of lithium are hydrated because of high hydration energy. Because of high hydration energy. While compounds of other element, compounds of other alkali metal is anhydrous. Beta compounds of other alkali metal is anhydrous. Lithium carbonate formed is less stable. It will easily decompose at low temperature into lithium oxide and carbon dioxide. While other are stable. Same condition. Lithium hydroxide is unstable at room temperature. It will decompose into lithium oxide and water, while other are stable. While other are stable. Clear? Beta lithium do not react with acetylene, while other can react. Next one. Beta if lithium react with acetylene or other element like sodium react with acetylene, it do not react. No reaction is the answer. But due to low ionization enthalpy, they will easily displace hydrogen, even though both hydrogen also. Sodium acetylide is formed just like this. Clear? These are the anomalous behavior. Anomalous behavior means first element of each group have similar property as that of other group but do not have same property as the element of same group due to their small size, high ionization enthalpy, high electronegativity, absence of d orbital and high polarization power. Beta lithium do not have similar property as the elements of same group, but it has similar property as that of second element of next group. That means second element of second group. That property is known as that property is known as diagonal relationship. That property is known as diagonal relationship. Now we will discuss diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium. Diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. Why lithium and magnesium have diagonal relationship? Due to approximate same size. Beta both have smaller size than that of sodium. Both have approximate same size. Due to approximate same size, they will show similar property. This similar property shown by two elements diagonally is known as diagonal relationship. Our question why? Because both of them have smaller size than that of sodium or both they have approximate same size. What are the relationship? Beta first, both are quite hard. Alkali metal are soft, but lithium is quite hard. First, both are quite hard. Beta both have approximate same electronegativity. Both have approximate same electronegativity. Clear? Now, beta lithium react with nitrogen to give lithium nitride and magnesium react with nitrogen to give magnesium nitride. Both have tendency to react with atmospheric nitrogen. With atmospheric nitrogen means nitrogen present in air to give nitride. Beta lithium react with nitrogen to give lithium nitride. Magnesium also have tendency to react with nitrogen to give magnesium nitride. That means both have tendency to react with atmospheric nitrogen to give nitride. Clear? Beta both lithium and magnesium have tendency to react with oxygen to give oxide. Lithium give oxide, sodium give peroxide, and other give superoxide. Lithium give oxide. Magnesium also oxide. Lithium react with atmospheric oxygen to give lithium oxide. Magnesium also have tendency to react with atmospheric oxygen to give magnesium oxide. That means both have tendency to form oxide. Oxide with oxygen. Oxygen, they have tendency to react with oxygen to give monoxides or simply oxides. Beta, both do not form carbonate. Lithium carbonate formed is unstable. Magnesium carbonate formed is also unstable. You can say carbonate of both are unstable. Lithium carbonate at room temperature decompose into lithium oxide plus carbon dioxide. In the same way, magnesium carbonate at room temperature give magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide. That means both are unstable at room temperature. Both are unstable at room temperature. Another one most important property, that is both nitrides of both lithium nitrate or magnesium nitrate both on heating strongly to give reddish brown gas, that is NO2 gas. Beta, both lithium and magnesium nitrate decompose on heating to produce reddish brown gas. It is lithium nitrate. It is magnesium nitrate. When they are strongly heated, lithium produce lithium oxide, magnesium produce magnesium oxide. Plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen, it is reddish brown gas. Magnesium also give magnesium oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. If you want to balance the reaction, this will clear. These are the relationship among lithium and magnesium. Beta, these are the relationship among lithium and magnesium. Here it is all about the S block. Group 1 alkali metal group. Why alkali metal group is known as alkali metal? Then which element involved, then configuration, then physical property. After physical property we have chemical property. After chemical property, first element of group 1, that is lithium, have different property than rest member of the same group, and then it has similar property as that of magnesium. Thank you.